Spend a day paddling the Maquoketa River Water Trail. Enjoy this video as we highlight some features and aspects of the Maquoketa River as it meanders through Jackson County.
Here we are at Canton County Park. Canton County Park has the first canoe access in Jackson County along the Maquoketa River. From here to the Mississippi River, there are 12 canoe accesses managed by Jackson County Conservation. From Canton all the way to the mouth of the Maquoketa at the Mississippi River, there are 55 miles of river to paddle.
Along the Maquoketa River here in Jackson County, you have 4 accesses with paved boat ramps here at Joynerville Park, as well as Maquoketa City access on 5th Street. And downriver, you have Spragueville and Highway 52 access.
Hi, I'm here at the Joynerville Campground. It is a primitive campground accessible by the Maquoketa River, but also from Highway 64. There are no amenities here, so you truly get to have the outdoor experience. If you'd like to camp here in Joynerville, we ask that you get a special use permit from the Conservation Board office.
Another option for primitive camping along the Maquoketa River is at Buzzard Ridge Wildlife Area. All right, we're going to put in at Royertown Access here and paddle down to Joynerville and show you some aspects from on the river.
A great day in the water always starts with safety, so ensure that you wear a properly fitting life jacket that stays on your body the entire time. Sunscreen, sun protection, loose, breathable clothing, and always have a drink of water with you. However, boating and alcohol does not mix.
As you paddle the river, each time you go under a bridge, there is a sign on the bridge letting you know where you're at. Here at 74th Street is Moorhead Access off to our river left, and it will tell you the mileage to your next public access.
Here in the Maquoketa River, while you're out and about, you can participate in some fishing. The Maquoketa River hosts a number of game species like walleye, northern pike, largemouth bass, among others.
We found a sandbar here, always a nice place to stop and stretch your legs. Look for sandbars on the inside of the curve of the river where the water can deposit the sand here. Maquoketa River is always a carry in, carry out. Please take your trash with you. If you do stop in a sandbar and see some things that have been washed up, feel free to pick those up and dispose of them properly. While on the Maquoketa River, take advantage of viewing the wildlife. Today we've seen turkey vultures soaring overhead. We had a great blue heron fly by. Oftentimes we'll see bald eagles and maybe even some turtles and other water-loving animals.
Hi, we're here at the Lakehurst Dam. This obstacle is probably the biggest thing you'll come across here on the Maquoketa River. It happens after the Joynerville access. When you come up to the dam, please use river left, which is the north side of the river, and there is a portaging trail that'll take you over the land and safely into the waters down here below the dam. Please, please, be sure that you are communicating with your other partners in the water and move over early so you have plenty of time to safely navigate the portage trail before you get to the dam.